Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to St. Kitts. This is a first for us. We've never been here on any of our cruises.
Right.
So we're really looking forward to this. And just to make this day a little special, we're going to do something that we always love to do whenever we go to these ports. We're going to spend some time at the beach. We actually booked an excursion through Carnival this time. It's the beach day at the Carambola Beach Club. We'll take you folks along with us so you can see what we see. And you just won't be as comfortable as we are swimming in this warm Caribbean water. So, sorry, I couldn't resist.
Sunburn.
But right now we are up and about. We're going to go get us some breakfast here in just a little bit, then come back to the room and grab our beach wear.
Ow. Yes, I used sunblock.
Then we're
It's
gonna
just my fair skin. I'm interrupting him. He never lets me talk.
After we get back, we'll grab our stuff, we'll head down to the meetup point, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. But as always, we're going to take you folks along, and we're going to have us a big time. We'll see y'all in a little bit.
And Doug and Jen too. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh. You come around the back of the ship and you see that and it's breathtaking. Wow. Oh wow.
Okay, we made it off the ship. We're walking our way down the pier here. We're going to go to the meetup point. We're just a little bit early, but early is better than late because late means you don't get to go on your excursion. So we don't want that to happen. Welcome to Mount Kitts. I'm just joking, y'all. We just went up a really big hill. But check out the views.
Here coming up on my left hand side is a nice lovely view of the Caribbean Sea. If you look carefully, you will see a nice lovely yacht there.
That's it.
Very beautiful view.
Welcome to Carambola Beach Club. We're gonna try to find us a chair. Then we'll probably get our feet and our ankles and all parts above in the water. So. Yeah, that's a little cold.
We keep grabbing each other.
I saw that. Y'all, this ain't Mr. Sancho's.
Oh, we can throw out here. We won't do it. We hope we won't.
Y'all know what we said earlier about relaxing in the warm Caribbean water? That water cold. Carambola. What do you think about it?
is so awesome. The beach could use a little more cleaning, but it wasn't bad at all. Now, we didn't buy anything from here, but we heard a lot of people talking about how outrageous the prices are on the drinks and stuff, so pretty cool with that.
I think you can actually purchase this through
Carnival.
through Carnival, or you can purchase it through the private excursions.
Right.
I recommend going through Carnival
Yeah.
because you booking it through the cruise ship, they will wait on you.
Well, with Short Excursionaire, which is the one that we've used in the past for stuff, they said they had to have at least 5 people booked, and you don't even know how many they had, or they'll cancel it. So we saw the same thing on Carnival for a few dollars more, with that good old guarantee about getting you back to the ship on time, and so we decided to go with it instead.
Good day so far.
Alright, we made it back on board. Got all the seawater washed off of us. Now we're going to find us some food.
Yeah.
Then we're going to go topside and see if we can get some really good pictures of St. Kitts.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think about St. Kitts?
This is a beautiful place. If you ever get the chance, you really should come and see. It's just so beautiful. I'm almost mesmerized by the mountain that I'm assuming it's a volcano that just has all day since we've been here. It's been covered with cloud. Not once has the cloud gone away. It got smaller, but now it's coming further down the mountain. And it's so beautiful. The water is beautiful. It's a little bit cool, but that's to be expected, you know, this time of year. But the beach area was just beautiful.
I agree.
I really like it. I want to come back.
Actually, Brenda said if she didn't have a doctor's appointment on Tuesday that we'd stay. So, you know.